Now let's talk about Claude Skills. Anthropic just launched this feature, and it's a completely different approach to making AI useful for your specific needs. Here's the concept. You know how Claude is really smart, but it doesn't automatically know about your specific work style, your company's processes, or your personal preferences. Skills fixes that. Basically, skills are folders of instructions, scripts, and resources that Claude loads dynamically to improve performance on specialized tasks. The cool part is how skills work through what Anthropic calls progressive disclosure. When you ask Claude to complete a task, it reviews your available skills, loads only the relevant ones it needs, and applies their instructions. This prevents context window overload while still giving Claude access to specialized knowledge when it matters. You can create multiple skills for different things, one for applying brand style guidelines, another for executing your company's specific data analysis workflows, another for creating communications following your email templates, whatever you need. Anthropic provides pre-made skills to get you started. They've created skills for enhanced document creation in Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and PDF files that are available to all users. And these Anthropic skills are automatically invoked when relevant. For your custom skills, anyone can create them by writing instructions in Markdown, no coding required for simple skills. Though you can attach executable scripts to custom skills for more advanced functionality. It's important to note that skills are different from projects, which provide static background knowledge that's always loaded. Skills provide specialized procedures that activate dynamically when needed and work everywhere across Claude. Skills is currently available as a feature preview for users on Pro, Max, Team, and Enterprise plans, and it requires code execution to be enabled. This feature honestly feels like one of those updates that seems simple but completely changes how useful the AI becomes, because it's not just a generic assistant anymore. It's your assistant that knows how you work.